Hey, welcome back. So I just discovered something really cool that I wanted to share with you. There's a new way we can hide AI content from showing in our Pinterest feed. If you're tired of seeing AI-generated images all over your Pinterest and you just want to see real photos, this is going to be really helpful for you. Pinterest has actually released a new feature where you can turn off the AI content that you don't want to see in different categories. This is pretty amazing because a lot of people have been complaining about AI content flooding their feeds, and now we finally have some control over it. Let me show you exactly how to do this. I'll cover both the desktop version and the mobile app because the process is slightly different on each platform. So if you're on PC, first you need to go to your Pinterest settings. Once you're in settings, look for an option called Refine Your Recommendations and click on it. Inside this section, you'll find something called Gen AI Interest. This is where all the magic happens. In the Gen AI Interest section, you can turn off AI content for specific niches. For example, if you don't want to see AI-generated pins related to beauty, you can turn that off specifically. Or if you're interested in home decor but not AI-generated home decor, you can toggle that off while keeping other categories on. If you don't want to see any AI content at all, you can just turn everything off. Just go through the list and disable all the AI interest categories, and Pinterest will stop showing you AI-generated content across the board. Now, I want to set realistic expectations here. It will take some time for these changes to take effect. When you first visit your home feed, right after making these changes, you might still see AI images. Don't worry, this is normal. Give it some time, and eventually your feed will be cleaned up and you'll mostly see real photos. I say mostly because some AI-generated images might still slip through Pinterest's AI detection system. It's not perfect, so occasionally an AI image might show up even with all these filters turned on. But the vast majority of AI pins won't show up anymore in your feed. Now let me explain how to do this on mobile, because it's basically the same process, but with slightly different naming. Open the Pinterest mobile app and go to your settings. On mobile, instead of Refine Your Recommendations, the option is called Home Feed Tuner. So look for Home Feed Tuner in your settings. Once you're in Home Feed Tuner, you'll see the Gen AI section. Tap on Gen AI Interest, and here you can turn off everything that you don't want to see, just like on the desktop version. You can either turn off specific categories or disable all AI content completely. So just to recap the difference, on PC, the setting is called Refine Your Recommendations, but on mobile, it's called Home Feed Tuner. That's literally the only difference. The actual Gen AI interest options are exactly the same on both platforms. This is such a useful feature, especially if you're someone who uses Pinterest for inspiration and you want to see real, authentic content rather than AI-generated stuff. Whether you're looking for recipe ideas, fashion inspiration, home decor, or anything else, being able to filter out AI content makes the whole experience better. I've already turned off AI content in most of my categories, and I'm already noticing a big difference in the quality of my feed. It feels more authentic, and the content is more trustworthy because I know it's coming from real people and real experiences. So if you've been frustrated with AI content taking over your Pinterest feed, definitely give this a try. It takes just a couple of minutes to set up, and it really improves your Pinterest browsing experience. That's it for this quick tutorial. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this feature and how it's working for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.